Today we are going to take revision of alphabetical order. Now what is alphabetical order? Actually we have learned this, but to revise it again, we are going to start it today again for your revision. So everybody know, you should know your alphabets properly. So what is the alphabet? A, B, C, D up to Z, but it should be in a proper way, in a proper order, that is sequence, means A, B, C, D, E, F, G in a proper serial order. So if you are knowing that, you can do this exercise very easily. So recite the alphabet in correct order from A to Z. In fact, you have to know your ABC well in order. To put words in alphabetical order. So how you can put the words in alphabetical order? When there is a word given, you have to see the first alphabet of that word and and every word where, and then you have to arrange them in a proper alphabetical order. As you can see on this page, I have written for you. See, F-A-L-L fall, C-A-L-L call, and B-A-L-L ball. These are the some of the words. For here, what we have done, we have just underlined the first alphabet of each word. So as you know, ABCD, it is like this. When you write ABCD, A to Z, you are writing in a proper order. So F, you have to find over here F, C and B, F, C and B. Here in this order, B comes at the first position before C, and before F you can see C. So the first word what we will write it is ball. So here we have written here B-A-L-L ball. Then comes here C. So C-A-L-L call we have written. And in the last one we have written fall. In this way we can complete our alphabetical order. Go. In this way we are going to move towards our exercise. On page number 8. See, I am going to explain you B. This write this words in correct alphabetical order. It is given here. So when you write this words in correct order, we have to just read out this words what are given in this box. Big blue eyes looking at me through the tiny little window. So here what you have to do, you have to just see. So in this words we have to just underline the first alphabet of each word. All the words you have to just underline the first alphabet, so you can understand it more easily and quickly. So here big blue, so what we have done, just underline the words over here. Now you have to just say the ABCD. A, you can see any word starting with A. Yes, we have found it is at. So put there 1. For your understanding you have to put there 1 upon it. So after that, is there any word again starting with A? No. So just see, move towards B. You can get this B, B, B. Big and blue. So here when there are two words beginning with B, so in this case you have to think for the second alphabet. It is B-I, B-L. And in ABCD you have to see whether I comes before L. So we know that I is before L. So in this place you can give the second. And again blue will come at the third position. In the same way, in the answer you have to fill up this answer. See, we are given one number for at, so it is here at. B, it came second position. So blue at the third one. So after B, you can see there is, you can search for C. No, we cannot get any letter for C. D, you have to search for that. No. Then move towards E. Yes, we have got one word. That is eyes. The beginning is E. Here, so we have given the next number after this 3 is 4. See any more beginning with E? No. F. After E, what comes? F. F, search for that. No, we didn't get. G. No. H. No. I. No. J. K. No. L. Yes, we found that. L. See. L, looking. And another word for L is little. Again here the starting is same. So we are going to look towards the second alphabet. O, L-O and L-I. So in alphabetical order we have to find O and I. So we know that I is before O. So we can give the next number, that is 5. And this looking will be a 6th place. M, yes, we got M. So it will, see any more M? No, single. So put over 7. Go. M. So N. No, we cannot find. O. No. P. We cannot find. Q. R. No. S. Can you find? No. T. Yes. We found 3 of them. The, tiny, through. Again T is same. So here you have to consider the second place. So here TH, TH, TI. So TH, in between this H and I, again you have to see the alphabetical order. So which alphabet is before, that should be written in the before place. So see this I and H. So what you will write? This TH. Again in TH you have to think for the third place. THR, THE. So E is before R. So we have to write the before throw, and then after that word is tiny. What number we are going to give it to that? Then here you have to give your 8, 9, and this one will be a number 10. Okay. Yes, U, search for U. V, no. W, yes, we found that. It is at 11. See here W. Any more W? No. So we are going to give number 11. So W. X, no. Y, we didn't find anything. Z, we didn't find. So we have completed our ABCD from A to Z. So in the same way we have to just find out how many words are there. Total 11. So same word should be in your answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is in a proper alphabet. Hope you have understood this, students. In the same way we have to do your C number exercise. So it will be easy for you to understand and solve. Thank you, students.